All right, this is group 8 on the cat. This broad flat muscle right here is the epitrochlearis, and that has been cut free from the fascia that hooked it onto the elbow area here. So that we can now move back like that and look underneath. Sitting on top of the humerus, the bone down under here, is our biceps brachii. So we'll give that guy purple. And just as a review, here's your triceps down here. All right, we'll come to the forelimb here. Have I forgotten any other? No, we're good. So here's our Pronator Teres, this muscle right here. We'll give that pink. And then the next one down is the Flexor Carpi Radialis. Give that yellow. And then this big broad flat muscle here is the Palmaris Longus. Make that one green. And then finally coming down to the area of the ulna is our Flexor Carpi Ulnaris right here. I'll make that one light blue. And as a group, these muscles here are going to flex the paw. You can even see the Palmaris Longus kind of contracting there. Our biceps brachii, all the way up here, originates way up in the glenoid cavity of the shoulder, up in there, and inserts on the radial tuberosity right about in there. And that, of course, is going to flex the lower leg or the upper limb like that. Okay, so that's its action, is to flex that joint. The Flexor Carpi Radialis, this one right here, originates on the medial epicondyle of the humerus up in there, and inserts on the metacarpals down in here. So that's going to pull the paw that way. Okay, so for review, real quick: biceps brachii, Pronator Teres, Flexor Carpi Radialis, Palmaris Longus, Flexor Carpi Ulnaris, and then we never put a pin in the epitrochlearis here that was sitting on this area.